Now, this is the crab we bought at the fish market in Mira. It's huge. That's how crabs survive in the ocean. Look at that. That is like ginormous.
Let's see.
Aiden, that crab is bigger than you are. But it tastes good. And there's Aiden. And Aiden's just like going, wow, look at the crab. Anyways, this is pre-cooked, so we can eat it. Ha ha ha. Eat that! Aiden. Aiden, touch the crab.
Kani.
Kani crab.